Hey everyone, so you might be wondering to yourself, why am I standing in a dark van? Well, that's because our van is in storage. I've been seeing a ton of questions on the forums lately, people asking how to wake up the BMPro. So I'm going to show you my trick to get the BMPro out of sleep mode. You can see it's black, it is not on. If I touch it, nothing comes up. So how do you get this version of the BMPro out of sleep mode? We are going to use one of these arrow buttons down here at the bottom, and I'm going to scroll through them until I get back to OF. Press EXT. When the lights flash across, press 1. And now my BMPro screen has woken back up. Now, this is assuming that you store your van with it plugged into shore power, or that your master switch is on, keeping 12-volt power. We store our van in the wintertime plugged in with the master switch on. I know there's a lot of controversy about whether you should or shouldn't. This is the way that we've been doing it, and it works great for us. We haven't had any issues with any of the electrical components. If you store it without it plugged in or the master switch off, then there is a likelihood that the battery on this is dead. And if that is the case, doing what I just did will not work. If it turns on with the BMPro logo flashing on and off constantly and not loading up, that is indicative of the battery being dead and you need to replace the battery. There's some good write-ups on the forum on how to do that. But if it's just blank, the bottom buttons work, you're plugged in, your master switch is on, and it still won't work, this is the procedure for getting it out of sleep mode. So again, that's using the arrow buttons to scroll through until you get back to OF. Press EXT once, wait for the lights, press 1.